Good morning, everybody. Myself, Dr. Damayanti Amit Chaudhary from Department of Botany, Kisanveer Mahavidyalaya, YE. Today, we will discuss about the topic of BSc Part 2, that is modification of root. The root is a descending portion of the plant body. Descending means they are growing in a downwardly direction, and these are the underground part of the plant body. It is positively geotrophic, hydrotrophic, and negatively phototropic. Geotrophic means the growth of the plant responses to the force of gravity, and hydrotrophic means plants which are grow at the water resources. So these are the positively geotrophic and hydrotrophic, and negatively phototropic. Phototropic means plants organ or plant parts which are grow through the light condition, but roots are the underground part of the plant body. So these are the negatively phototrophic. After seed germination, root develops from the radicals. Then the roots are having four parts. That is, first one, that is root cap. Then these are the region of cell division. These are the region of elongation, and these are the region of maturation. First, we discuss about root cap. These are produced from the apical part of the plant. The cells of root cap, these are the small, thin, and their dense protoplasm. These cells are repeatedly divided, so it secrete mucilage and move through into the soil. Second one, that is the region of meristematic or region of the cell division. In these cell division region, meristematic cells are present. So these cells divide and redivide and produce a new cells. So for example, pause. Second one, the region, that is a region of cell division. In this region, meristematic tissues are present. So these tissue, they divides and redivide and produce a new cell. For example, protoderm produces a epidermis and procambium produces a vascular bundle. Next, third one region, that is a region of elongation. These are present above the region of meristematic. Last one, that is region of maturation. In this region, root hairs are present. So these root hairs, they absorb large amount of water, and this water supply through the plant organs. Next one, that is types of roots. The root systems are divided into mainly two types, that is taproot system and adventitious types of root system. The first one we see, that is a taproot system. This is a taproot system, they develop from the radicle. These are developed from the radicle. These root system are also called as a true root system. In these root system, primary root, secondary roots are produced. These secondary roots are also called as a lateral root. These roots, they encourage into the soil and give mechanically support to the plant body. These taproot system mainly present in dicot plants. Then second type, that is adventitious types of root system. These root system develop from the other part of the plants, that is nodes of the stems and leaf region. So these are also called as adventitious types of root system. These are poorly encouraged into the soil. Mostly these root systems are present in a monocot plant, but exceptionally in a ficus plant, these are the dicot plants which produces adventitious types of the root system. Next one, that is functions of root. First function, that is the root performs main function, that is encourage, absorption and conduction. In this, encourage is the mechanical function and conduction and absorption, these are the physiological functions. Apart from these main functions, roots play some special functions in which even the structure of the get modified. To perform these adapted specialized function, root has to change according to their environment. These are also called as a modification. These modifications are the storage of food, mechanical support and respiration. Next one. First, we see the storage of food material. In a taproot system, root get modified for the storage of food. They are divided into three types, that is first conical form, fusiform and napiform. In a conical form, roots are narrow from base to apex. So, it shows conical like shapes. For example, these modifications are seen in carrot root. Second one, that is a fusiform. In this part, in the middle region, roots get swollen and at the base and apex, it is a narrow. These are seen in the reddish. Third one, that is a napiform. In this type of modification, roots are circular in position and they are swollen at the middle size and suddenly they are narrow at the base. This structure are seen in the beet root. Next one. These are the mechanical functions of the plant, that is a prop root. In ficus plant, adventitious types of the root systems are produced. So, these adventitious types of the root poorly encourage to the plant. So, in the plant body, their aerial stem, these are produced adventitious types of the root and they are encouraged into the soil. So, they become thick and appear like a pillar. When main trunk is died, these roots, they are replaced into prop roots. In Indian Botanical Garden, Kolkata, there are about 1,700 prop roots produces a ficus plant. Next one, that is in nematophores. In saline and marshy places, soil is highly waterlogged. So, in this soil, level of the oxygen is very low. So, roots of the plant growing in a such a condition do not get sufficient amount of water. So, underground root produces conical branches to the upward directions. Such roots are provided with numerous pores. These are called as nematophores and which are used for exchange of gaseous material. So, all these are the modified root system. So, these modification of roots, these are completed. Thank you.